Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to call a blocked number on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. So, for instance, let's say you go to your contact list and then you go ahead and block this particular contact. Click on the contact, scroll down, and then click on block contact. Click on blocked. Now, for you to be able to call this particular contact on your phone or this particular block number on your iPhone, you simply need to go ahead and click on the phone app, then click on the keypad and dial the number, or come to the contact and then locate the contact you blocked. This, click on it once, then click on the phone app, then click on phone. You will be able to call this contact on your iPhone, but the contact will not be able to call you on your iPhone. Blocking the number on your iPhone will give you the permission to call the number, but will stop receiving call or text message from the contact. And that is it. So that is exactly how to call a blocked number on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.